We are just going to see how to install a super compact bathroom filter of brand water SPARKS, and this is a new invention of 2019. And this is the only system which has got backwash technology, which means your super compact bathroom filter doesn't require a filter change. This is a one-time investment for you, and you have backwash which cleans the filter automatically. And these are things which are inside your box, and you have a tube, charger cable for charging this unit, and you have also a spanner to unlock the filter in case you want to clean it every 6 months once, and you also have a clamp just to fix it on the wall and hold this filter. Actually, this filter doesn't require a clamp at all, in fact, because you have this 360-degree twistable technology. One where you can just fix it on your pipeline, and even you can twist this and turn in any direction. So all you need to do is you need to fix it on your pipeline like this, so that the water which goes to your tank, it passes through in this direction and all your water is filtered. And this size what you have is 1 inch. If you want to connect directly on your 1 inch, you just need to fix some unions and connect this, so that, in case of any service, you can remove this from the union and bring this out. Otherwise, you can also fix this with your 1/4 inch, which has got a washer inside, and so you can fix this. And also have a pressure gauge on top of this, where it shows what is the amount of pressure the water is forced into this line. And you have a charger cable. And you have a backwash line at the bottom, which the backwash is going to happen automatically. So you have this need to be fixed here at the bottom and add some Teflon here, then fix this at the bottom, and you just need to take this tube out and just push it inside and put the other end of the tube into the drain. See, this unit can be fixed in between your pump and your tank. So whatever the water is stored in your overhead tank is going to be crystal clear. As I said, otherwise also you can fix it after your pressure boosting system. After your overhead tank, you'll have a pressure boosting system on the outlet line also. You can connect this filter this way or whichever way you want to fix this. Now let's go to the setting part of this unit, and you have a display unit here, and this is a lithium-ion battery inside. And you just need a power point whenever you fix this unit, so that this can be connected with your telephone charger also. And in case you do not have a power point and you want to do a backwash manually, you can have a power bank like this and connect to the power bank and also do a backwash. And let's go to the setting part now. You need to push this button once. Now you can see how many days in a month you got. 30 days. So if you want the backwash cycle to happen 30 days once, also, you can do it. But usually, the cycle is much earlier and often is better. Now I'm just going to set up this maximum 30 days limit. So I am going to set it for 2 days once, and after you do the setting once, you press this again. Now it goes to the seconds part, which means after 2 days. So how many seconds this flush walls needs to be kept open. That is the backwash line here. Now I'm just going to 99 seconds, so, which is the maximum setting, which means for 99 seconds, almost 1 minute and 39 seconds will be the backwash happening on your system. In case if you want to do the backwash manually, you can also do by pressing this minus button for a long press. So that, this wall inside goes for a backwash and you get the water in the drain. So all you need to do is just press this for a while, and now the backwash is set, the backwash is happening, and after 99 seconds, it closes the backwash wall again. This unit also can be fixed on your apartments, where you have a separate pipeline entering your apartment. You can fix just before the water entry point, and also can be fixed on any of your bathrooms. And this can access a whole bathroom, and it is very compact and useful. And I want to tell one more information about this filter. You cannot use this filter for iron removal or very fine dust particles. This will remove only dissolved iron after precipitation. That means you have to aerate the water and after that push into this filter. This will do up to 1 ppm of iron, not more than that. So otherwise, this filter is perfectly fine for any removal of sediment impurities. This is actually a Gorilla Glass. So you can remove this layer, because if you have some water particles, then it will have a stain mark on your place. So you just need to peel this off, just if you make a mark cutting here and just peel this off, so the display looks very excellent and elegant, and you can start using it. We have made a small setup for the understanding now, and here you have the raw water collection, or you have the suspended impurities water here, and you also have a small motor pump here, and from which it goes to the filter there, and from there it goes to the collection tank, which is the purified water. Now we are going to see water SPARKS bathroom filter. How we are going to do the backwash. And as I told you, this requires a compulsory power because the backwash has got an automatic solenoid valve inside, which turns this unit to the automatic backwash mode. So this is a USB Type B charging port where you just need to have a cell phone charger to connect this, and you need a power source for this. And then only this can be operated. And because we do not have a power source, I have just connected this with the power bank. And already there is an inbuilt battery on this one also. It doesn't mean that we're going to remove the power at any point. It should work for a couple of hours or 3 hours more. show you how we are going to do backwash of this manually. You just need to long press of this minus symbol for a long time. And now the wall was getting open and it's ready for backwash. The earlier one which we saw is automatic, and this one is a manual bathroom filter. Rest everything is all the same, like contents are all going to be the same. Except at the bottom which you see here, you do not have an automatic wall here to the timer. And instead of this flushing you have to do it manually by your hand. So you just need to take this, open this wall maybe 2 days or 3 days once. Open it, like this, so that the dust particles which are collected in. Depending upon your water quality you can do 2 days once or alternate days or 3 days once. This is SPARKS Super Compact Bathroom Filter, and this can be fixed in between your sump motor to your overhead tank or in between your borewell motor to your overhead tank. Also on the left one is an automatic one, which has got an auto backwash. On the right one is a manual one. You have to do the back flush manually, and let's see what water it can purify. If it's going to be sediment water like this, of course, it can purify, and even sandy water, of course. If it's going to be muddy water, maybe about 10%, so not recommended. And iron water maybe 20%, so not recommended, maybe to some extent, that's all. And hard water only about 10% result. Thanks for watching the video.